What if I told you that the secret to burning fat while you sleep is hiding in your kitchen right now, and it only takes 5 minutes to prepare? Let me ask you something. Have you been trying to lose weight but nothing seems to work? You're eating less, maybe even skipping meals, but that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. And worse, you're always hungry, always craving something, fighting against your own body every single day. It's exhausting, isn't it? Here's what nobody tells you. The problem isn't willpower. The problem is that most breakfast options spike your blood sugar, leave you starving 2 hours later, and actually tell your body to store more fat. It's like you're working against yourself from the moment you wake up. But what if there was a way to flip the script? What if your breakfast could actually help you burn fat, kill cravings for hours, and reduce inflammation all at the same time? That's exactly what we're making today. A creamy, delicious chia coffee pudding that tastes like dessert but works like a fat-burning machine. No sugar, no flour, just pure nutrition that actually satisfies you. Let me show you exactly how this works and why these ingredients are so powerful. First, we have black coffee. Not just any coffee, but freshly brewed black coffee with no sugar or cream. Coffee contains caffeine, yes, but it also has chlorogenic acid and dozens of other bioactive compounds that are incredibly antioxidant-rich. These compounds support your liver, boost your metabolism, and help your body break down fat more efficiently. Coffee is essentially telling your body to use fat for energy instead of storing it. Next, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are absolute nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with soluble fiber that absorbs liquid and forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. This gel expands, giving you incredible satiety that lasts for hours. But that's not all. Chia seeds help stabilize your blood sugar, prevent those energy crashes that make you reach for snacks, improve your digestion, and they're loaded with omega-3 precursors, making them powerfully anti-inflammatory. When your body is inflamed, it holds onto fat. Chia helps fix that. Now, here's something important. If you want to get the highest quality chia seeds and other ingredients I recommend for this recipe, I've put together a curated list of products in the description below. These are the brands I personally trust and use, so definitely check that out. Then we have natural yogurt. This brings protein to keep you full and satisfied, calcium for strong bones and metabolism support, and that creamy, slightly tangy flavor that pairs beautifully with coffee. Make sure you're using plain, unsweetened yogurt. For sweetness, we're using stevia. This is completely optional, but if you want a touch of sweetness without any blood sugar spike or calories, stevia is your friend. It's a natural sweetener that won't sabotage your weight loss. Cinnamon is next. This isn't just for flavor. Cinnamon actually helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body handles sugar better and stores less fat. Plus, it adds that warm, cozy flavor that makes this feel like a treat. And finally, vanilla extract. Just a little bit to enhance the sweetness and round out all these flavors into something truly delicious. Now let's make this incredible fat-burning breakfast. Start by brewing your black coffee. Make sure it's hot because we're going to use that heat to hydrate our chia seeds quickly. Pour your hot coffee over the chia seeds and give it a quick stir. Now, this is where the magic happens. Watch as the chia seeds start absorbing the coffee and forming that thick, gel-like consistency. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll see it transform right before your eyes into something that looks almost like tapioca pearls. Each little chia seed is now soaking up all that coffee flavor. While that's hydrating, take a moment to appreciate what's happening. Those fibers are expanding, preparing to give you hours of satiety. Those omega-3s are ready to fight inflammation. That coffee is priming your metabolism. After 2 to 3 minutes, your chia will be perfectly gelatinous. Now take that chia coffee mixture and add it to your natural yogurt. Look at how beautiful this is. Those little gel-coated chia seeds suspended in creamy yogurt. Now add your stevia if you want it. Remember, this is completely to taste. If you're used to drinking black coffee without sugar, you might not even need this. Sprinkle in your cinnamon. Be generous with it because it's not just delicious, it's functional. Add a few drops of vanilla extract. This really brings everything together and makes it taste almost like a fancy coffee shop creation. Now, give everything a good stir until it's all combined. Look at that creamy, speckled texture. You can eat this right now if you want, but here's my recommendation. Divide this mixture into containers and put them in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. As it chills, it firms up even more, becoming almost like a pudding or a thick mousse. The texture is absolutely incredible. When you're ready to eat, you can enjoy it just like this, or you can add some optional toppings, a little extra cinnamon on top, some shredded coconut, or even a dusting of cocoa powder. Whatever sounds good to you. Now take a spoonful and look at that consistency. It's thick, it's creamy, it holds its shape. This is not some watery, disappointing health food. This is genuinely delicious. And here's the best part. This keeps you full for hours. No mid-morning crash. No desperate snacking. Just steady energy and zero cravings. Your body is burning fat, your inflammation is going down, and you're actually enjoying what you're eating. This is what real weight loss looks like. Not deprivation, not suffering, just smart nutrition that works with your body instead of against it. So here's what I want you to do. Make this recipe tomorrow morning. Just try it once. See how you feel 3 hours later. See how your energy is. See how your cravings disappear. I promise you, this will change how you think about breakfast. And if you want to amplify your results even more, check out the description below where I've linked all the highest quality ingredients and other products I recommend. Don't settle for low-quality chia seeds or mediocre coffee. Get the good stuff and give your body what it deserves. If this recipe helped you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more fat-burning recipes like this one. And share this video with someone who's struggling with weight loss. They'll thank you for it. Make this recipe, feel the difference, and come back and tell me how it worked for you. I'll see you in the next one.